How to check if Facebook account is hacked or not. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, launch on your profile at the top right corner. Here select on the gear icon, and then here you can see the option of Account Center and see more in Account Center. So just tap on see more in Account Center. Now scroll down and under password and security over here, just tap on it and here scroll down. Now tap on where you are logged in option. So if your account has been hacked, then you'll be able to see that if the other person has hacked your or logged into your account from some region or some place that you are not aware of. So you can just see and check on that. After doing that, tap on the login alerts and check if your login alerts has been provided to you from different places or different devices over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.